Welcome everyone to this session of Python. Today we will explore the fundamentals of Python programming. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today due to its simplicity, readability, and powerful capabilities. Throughout this session, we will cover what Python is, why it's so widely used, its applications, key features, and basic syntax. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, this session will provide you valuable insights. So, let's dive in. First thing, what we are learning today is what is Python. So, Python is a high level interpreted programming language. It is an easy to learn yet powerful programming language that has gained immense popularity over the years. Gordo van Rossum designed Python with simplicity in mind in the year 1991, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced developers. Now, unlike other languages like C++ or Java, Python doesn't require complex syntax. Okay, it is readable and very easy to understand. It is interpreted, meaning that code is executed line by line, making debugging and development very easy. Okay, one of the Python's greatest strength is its support for multiple uses. Like it is having different functions, step by step executions of those functions. It supports object oriented programming. That means it allows structuring code using objects and classes. Then it also supports functional programming. It enables a more mathematical approach to the programming. Okay, then it is used widely in many industry. So you can see here it is used for automation, data science, AI, and many more. So it makes a valuable skill to learn. Okay, next, why learn Python? So, as I told you, it is one of the easiest programming language to learn. So, it makes a great choice for the beginners. Due to its simplicity and readability, the code looks like plain English. So, it reduces the learning curve. It is highly versatile. So, whether you want to develop websites or you want to automate the tasks, analyze the data, or create AI models, Python has a role to play in every field. Okay, it has a massive community, meaning you will always find support whether in online forums, documentations, or tutorials are available. Then also the availability of pre-built libraries are there, which make the development process very easy. So instead of writing everything from scratch, you can use existing tools. Okay, then due to its vast applications, Python is one of the highest paying programming languages, so making it a great career choice as well. Now also it has a high demand. Because of that, the developers are in demand in the industry. Also, the most important thing is it is platform independent, so whatever operating system you have, it will work on everything. It is supported on Windows, Mac, and Linux. All right, now, let us understand some of the key features of Python. So, as you can see here, it is simple and readable, interpreted language, so no need of compilation. It is dynamically typed, so no need of declaration. Then, as I told you, it has many open source libraries and communities is open, supportive, so it makes your task very easy. Also, it is portable, so code runs on multiple platforms without any kind of modification. Okay, so various tasks, it offers, as I told you, it offers many libraries, so different kinds of tasks can be done. So it is free to use, right? And it means it will seamlessly work everywhere to support every kind of work which we want to get it done. Then let us understand few of the applications. So it is widely used across different industries, like in web development. So there are frameworks like Django and Flask. They help in building powerful websites. So Instagram and Pinterest are built using Python. Then it is also used in data science and analytics. So Python is one of the most popular language in data science, thanks to Pandas, NumPy, and Matplot libraries for that. Then you have AI and machine learning. So Python is the backbone of AI applications with TensorFlow and PyTorch leading the way. Okay. Then comes your automation and scripting. So repetitive tasks like file management, email sending, and testing can be automated with Python. Then there is something called the cyber security and ethical hacking. So security professionals use Python for penetration testing, network analysis. Okay. Then there is something called as game development. So libraries like Pygame, they help in building simple games. Okay. Then comes your finance and trading. So banks and hedge funds use Python for algorithmic trading and risk management. Then there is something called as embedded systems and IoT. So it is used in Raspberry Pi and IoT applications as well. Okay. Now let us understand Python versus other languages. So see, you have Java language, you have C++, JavaScript, R language, also C sharp language. Now let us understand how Python is better. So when you compare Python with Java, Python is dynamically typed. Java is statically typed. Okay. Python requires fewer lines of code and Java is better for large scale application and Python excels in rapid development. Okay. Then when we compare Python with C++, Python has automatic memory management, but C++ requires manual memory allocation. So Python is easier to learn while C++ offers better performance for system level programming. Okay. Then comes your Python versus JavaScript development. Okay. So Python is mainly used for backend development and JavaScript is used for front end and backend both. But JavaScript is essential for web development. Python is used in diverse fields beyond web. Python versus R. Now, R is primarily used for statistical computing, while Python is more of general purpose programming. Python is preferred for machine learning also and deep learning also. Now, Python versus C sharp. So, Python is widely used in data science and web applications, while C sharp is mainly used in enterprise applications and gaming with Unity. Okay, so this is how we can decide like Python is much better to learn and more beneficial to learn. Now, how to install Python on a system. So the installation process is straightforward and there are multiple tools that are available to enhance the development. So for the first step is using Python is to install python.org. You need to install and add the path of your system C drive where you want to install it. And then after installing, you need to check like whether it is installed or not. So in the command prompt, you can type Python hyphen hyphen version and it will tell you which version is properly installed in your system. Okay. Now there is something called as Anaconda. Anaconda is again same way you need to download and install it and it is recommended for data science as it comes preloaded with essential libraries. So you can use after this you can also use different IDs like VS Code is there, that is Visual Studio Editor, then PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, that is also called as Google Notebook, then you have IDLE. These are different software applications which any one of you can use on your system to you write the code and run the code. Okay. Now when as I told you in Python there are different libraries available, so whichever library you want to deal with, what you need to do is you to install it with the command pip install and then the library name. So what is this pip? It is Python package manager. It simplifies the installation of the third party libraries. Okay. Now, let us summarize everything what we have learned till now. So, Python is one of the best programming languages to learn in today's time. It is simple, versatile, and widely used in the tech industry. So, with Python, you can develop websites, you can automate tasks, you can analyze the data, and build AI applications. So, its community support and vast libraries make it even more powerful. So, learning Python will give you an edge in your career, regardless of the industry which you choose. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this topic.